Hi, this is Saad Mehboob, and welcome to video 9.5 Bookmarks in Power BI. Often, um, we do presentations using PowerPoint, and we want to display our information one by one, narrating the story behind it and the reason why we have selected a visualization and the insight that that visualization conveys. So the bookmark features in Power BI helps you to create that unique storytelling impact. So for example, I'll quickly go through the features of bookmark. It captures currently configured view of a report page and it filters the state of visuals, and you can go back and forth selecting to your previous bookmark state. So I'll demonstrate this. I'll jump to my Worldwide Export LLC report and I have my modeling tab and view tab. I'll select bookmarks pane and selection pane. So I can see currently that I have no bookmark and I have some of my objects or visuals shown on this. So I want that each visual comes one by one. So first select, I'll first hide all the visuals and I'll select the visual that I want to display. So I believe sales by country and region and sales by year, sales by profit. Firstly, I want to show my slicers. So my year slicer and my region slicer. And I want to display sales by channel and the card inside it. So my first visual shows that the sales of the channel is dominated by the stores. So the retail stores are dominating the sales. So I'll just quickly add a text box here and I'll just add a small note that the stores, the sales by channel is dominated by the stores, the retail stores, or something else of that sort, the retail stores. So that helps the users convey the message, understand the message that we want to convey. I'll make it a bigger and just to format it a little, I'll go to my visuals and in the visuals I'll add a background with the color of, let's say, yeah. So that's nicely done. So at this state, I'll add a bookmark on where is my title text box. Where is my title? Yeah. So my title, and I'll save the state by adding a bookmark. So I'll just call this quickly, call it channel. Okay. Now I'll move this text box away because I don't need it anymore. Oops, sorry. Which, yeah. And I'll quickly add my sales by region graph here. So this is the second part of my story, and I'll add another bookmark to save this state. So I'll call it channel and region, and then I will add sales by customer here. I'll save it by name of channel, region, and customer. And finally, I'll add another bookmark by showing all, which is yeah, by calling it all. So you can do your own story by adding your own choice of bookmarks of your choice, but I was just trying to demonstrate. So now that I have created my bookmarks, I can simply click the view button and my story starts. And I can say that uh, when I start my presentation, I can quickly walk through the viewers with some story and it's also stated here that the sales is dominated by the stores industry of 32 million out of the total 55 million. I can forward my slide or I can forward my report by going to the next part and slice and dice my information that the 32 million mostly comes from which region. So I can do that, and furthermore I can add more parts to my story. So this was a quick walkthrough of what the what these are like, what the bookmarks are like, and hopefully you will